All the MBAs are dickheads. कोर्स में एडमिशन भी बाप के पैसे के दम पे लेते हैं. All the lawyers are bloody idiots. इन्हें इंसाफ से घंटा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस मुंह पे पैसा फेंक के मारो. All the actors are just star kids. बाप के बलबूते पर इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, एक्टिंग का तो ए भी नहीं आता. All the sales executives don't know a shit about their job. बस क्लाइंट की गांड चाट के पैसा ले आते. All the doctors just exaggerate your illness to scoop out more money from you. अरे all the CAs don't care about calculating proper tax. उन्हें पैसा दो, आपका पैसा बचाएंगे, सरकार जाए भाड़ में. All the engineers make sure कि प्रोजेक्ट में घटिया से घटिया माल लगाएं ताकि उनकी जेब में ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैसा आए. All the teachers are gold sucking hounds, जो आपको स्कूल में नहीं ट्यूशन पे पढ़ाने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं. And all the social workers don't give a fuck about the society. They just want to make some tax-free money under the NGO banner. If you do not agree with me on most of these points, then why do you think that every Delhi police official is corrupt? Do you imply that Mohan Chand Sharma, who killed 35 terrorists, arrested 80, who died because he wanted you and me to be safe, was corrupt? Oh sorry, मोहन चंद शर्मा जैसे लोगों की याद तो हमें सिर्फ 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी जैसे दिनों पर ही आती है. After all, we do not care about the life of police officials, and that is the reason we mow them down with our cars. और इतना क्राइम है दिल्ली में, घंटा सेफ रखती है दिल्ली पुलिस, है ना? Yes, I agree. Delhi is not a crime-free city. But do you know that according to an October 2014 report, the required strength of Delhi is 1.16 lakh cops. But the current strength is only 77,894. That means a shortage of 38,106 officials. इसमें से भी only 30,891 officials are deployed at the police stations. बाकी सब अलग departments में हैं. It brings down the active duty ratio to 1 policeman for 5,568 Delhiites. So if you want to blame someone for not being with you all the time, please blame the system, not the overworked and underpaid officials. Okay, if your company does not promote you, तो कितना टाइम तक सेम कंपनी में रहेंगे आप? 2 साल? Maybe 5 years? Do you know that on an average it takes 27 years for a constable to reach up to the rank of a head constable? अच्छा, अगर आपका बॉस आपको कहे कि रोजाना क्लाइंट्स को लंच पर लेकर जाना है बट यू विल नॉट बी रीइंबर्स्ड, कैसा लगेगा आपको? A beat cop is supposed to take accident victims and unclaimed corpses to hospitals and morgues, but he is not paid for it. He has to spend from his own pocket. Yeah, 25% of Delhi traffic police officials suffer from respiratory issues because they stand on the roads and inhale the smoke from your car. But हाँ, उनको गाली भी तो पड़नी चाहिए ना, because दिल्ली की सड़कों पे इतना जाम लगता है. After all, you always drive in your lane. You never cross the speed limit. You never jump the red light, right? Please remember, I am not saying that dishonest policemen should not be punished. I am just saying stop generalizing them. Every police official is not corrupt. They work hard to earn their bread and butter. Respecting them for what they do is not that tough. Please try.
जिंदगी कल तक थी रोशन, हंस रही थी बस्तियां.
बंद करो यार ये ड्रामा. क्या सचिन सचिन लगा रखा है?